in a mirror dimly, then I'll see face to face. I know in part, then I'll know fully. Until then I'll wait. Until then I'll wait. And if I speak with the tongues of angels, lovelessly it is static. I'll prophesy, charm every snake with my eyes, but without love it is madness. It is madness. It is madness. I have faith that can move mountains, but have no love, it is groundless. I'll sober you with all my pent up knowledge, but without love, it is violence. It is violence. It is violence. And if somebody suffers, everybody suffers. And if someone is honored, everybody's honored. If a whole body was an eye, where would be the hearing? If a whole body was an ear, where would be